What's up, guys? Sinclair Photos here. We're back out here Friday night. It's about to get crazy. We're at the first. Hey, well, my boy right here. We got the first spot. I already shut down. We've been here like 5 minutes. We're hopping back in the Chrysler. Some dude tried to fight this guy in a Mustang just for doing some dumb stuff. I'll put all that after this. Oh my God, this is gonna be a fun night. We're going to Kroger right now. Let's catch some crazy stuff for y'all. Stay tuned, hit that notification bell if you're new, subscribe, because this is the place to be for all the crazy supercar content. Let's go! Did he hit them?
Stop trying to start shit, bro. I don't give a fuck. I'll take all of them. Dang that. Wow. Dang that.
All right, we already got a fight. Almost. Jesus Christ. What's up? Jesus, that's loud. It is cold. Oh my God, it's cold. Alright guys, right here at spot 2 already. I guess this is where most of the stuff's gonna go down. GTR just pulled up. Got some boys still rolling in. But yeah, I don't really know what's gonna happen. This may be chill, this may be crazy. So let's see what happens. Here's the GTR I was talking about. It's getting quite a crowd. I guess it was happening when you show up in like a $40,000, $50,000 car. A bunch of like $20,000, $25,000 cars.
One more time. Hold on, wait, one more time.
No, he's leaving. All right, now we gotta hope for other people to do crazy stuff. He's got a taser. Is he gonna swing it? He's got a taser. And this kid's doing bike tricks.
with flames.
Oop, he got some baby flames.
Baby flames. Hey, nice, I like that. Hey, Ronnie, that side.
Oh, it's no hood boy. Oh my Jesus!
Barely.
Hit it, please. If he hits that, we die. If you're seeing this video, he doesn't hit it. We're staying a safe distance away. There it goes. This dude's wearing a hot dog suit. Let's go!
Hey, get off the bed! Get off the bed!
Let's get all done.
Oh, we're getting the water out. We're gonna get this front wheel drive burnout going. There we go. Alright guys, where do we park? Over there. Over here? Okay, we're going to a third spot. This is a completely different meet we're going to. This one's kind of just chilling, and we want to get some crazy stuff for you, so we're going to go to that one. I heard burnouts and donuts, and that's what we like to see here. Cops are coming here, I think. So let's go spot 3. We're going fast, boys! We're keeping it right under 55! Woo! Alright, I heard that the, you can't park there, Mike. Just park over there. So we got Whataburger because the meet got shut down at the other place. But we have a Dodge Demon and a GT350 chilling in the parking lot at Whataburger. This is some Texas stuff for you. It's maroon Demon. I think like a 16-year-old kid drives this around because his dad has quite a few very fast, very cool cars. But that's super cool. I believe that's like 808 horsepower, correct me if I'm wrong. But you don't see very many of these, and you definitely don't see them at Whataburger. We got Cole up in the business. I haven't seen this man in forever. What's up, dude?
Go follow COHLEO photography.
He's starting right off with a shout out, dude. There goes the Demon. And there's the police.
Is he a real cop?
Drew's here.
They rev like right in front
And got the patty melt meal, and Mike got nothing, and Cole
nothing.
got long tube headers, straight pipe exhaust on his truck.
Made a tune.
He's ordering another burger.
Burgers for the boys.
There's Alec, and there's Cole, and there's Cole. All right, action.
Alright boys, this is the old 2009, 2002,
Cut.
2002 Dodge Ram 5.9 360 Magnum, you know, we call it the fuck it bucket, .2. She's pretty quick, copyright. She's pretty quick. You see these are the 315.
Got my new Lamborghini here.
315, those are Vorsteiners, those are really expensive. Very nice wheels, see this? Weight reduction, breaks the window. This puppy right here. Weight reduction. This is what makes it fast. See this? See this tip? She's a bit rusty, but hey, she works, I tell you.
How much horsepower does it add?
Like 2. You see the sticker right here, Mayflies Lodge?
Doesn't it
7.
have like 1,000 horsepower?
Hey, go follow the boy. Go follow the boy. No plugs. No plugs allowed. Oh, that's my phone that I left in the
I like
Whataburger.
that sticker
Thanks.
right there. Come and take it.
So this is the interior, full Alcantara. It's pretty clean. She's pretty clean. Oh, seat cover's a bit messed up, but hang on. All right, got some juice. Love that. She starts perfectly. Listen.
Uh-oh.
Chop it.
Uh-oh.
I tell ya. See this? Weight reduction. See all this paint that's missing? It's all weight reduction. It's like, because I raced this 1,000 horsepower Hellcat and I whooped him.
This is my 2,000.
Let's hear it, let's hear it, let's hear it.
And this is why it's the best car.
No balls, a ping off rev limiter.
Yes, please.
The cop's gonna kick me out. I did a no-no.
Whoa!
Where's the flame?
She's fast. Where's the flame?
Where's the flame?
I don't know.
You can leave it on.
I'm showing out the stunts. Say Jesus, so my runs is no cares but when it's lunch. It's
Go.
I got it made, I got a couple of it.
Oh, get next to him.
Plus I'm sitting sideways.
Alright, slow down. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! We got dusted, Mike. We got dusted.
Damn it, gotta bring out the truck.
All right, guys, that was it. That was pretty fun. We had a little bit of craziness and a little bit of chill at Whataburger. Hope you enjoyed. Hope the video's 10 minutes. But yeah, if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. Ring that bell because the community guideline strike is affecting some of the notifications that may be going out. Like the video, smash it with your nose, and also I'm gonna be doing my favorite comment. I'm gonna be picking every video. I'm gonna pin one. If it makes me laugh, it's gonna be at the top. Most likes of the, I guess I'll give it like, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but best like or best comment gets a shout out next video. I'll pick it and you will be presented as you are funny boy. So we're wrapping this up. If you like the video, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.